Ben, have you seen Mr. De Winter anywhere?
She won't come back, will she? You said so.
Who, Ben? What do you mean?
Ah, the other one.
Frank, have you seen Maxim anywhere?
Not since about half an hour ago. I thought he'd gone up to the house.
No, he hasn't been in the house at all. I'm afraid something might have happened to him. Frank, what's the matter? Is anything wrong? There is something wrong.
Well, the diver who went down to inspect the bottom of the ship came across the hull of another boat. A little sailboat.
Frank, is it?
Yes. It's Rebecca's.
How did they recognize it?
It was a local man. Knew it instantly.
It'll be so hard on poor Maxim.
Yes. It's going to bring it all back again. And worse than before.
Why did they have to find it? Why couldn't they have left it there in peace at the bottom of the sea?
Why, better get along and arrange some breakfast for the men.
All right, Frank, I'll go and look for Maxim.